Hi, my name is Asai. I am with Kijijam Tech. Today I'm excited to show you something truly unique, a custom-built interactive table shaped like the letter X. We were approached by XPERIA Digital Museum in Tennessee with a very creative request. They wanted a table in the shape of an X, where each of the four arms acts as an independent touchscreen, and we made this happen. The table is built from durable metal and features industrial-grade touchscreens with tempered glass. Each screen supports up to 10 points of touch and is designed for heavy daily use. It's perfect for high-traffic areas. We also developed a custom game inspired by Temple Run specifically for XPERIA. Each player competes to earn points, and all scores contribute to the shared leaderboard. It's engaging, creative, and fun for all ages. And yes, we can create tables of any shape, size, or style. Starting from 43 inches to 75 inches, we cover the entire process, from 3D visualization and concept to production and delivery anywhere in the world. We also develop custom software tailored to your experience. This is the kind of solution that creates a wow effect for any museum, gallery, or digital space. If you are ready to stand out, let's build something unforgettable together.